Can you imagine the golden crunch of perfectly fried chicken? What about the savory aroma of collard greens simmered with smoked turkey? These are the irresistible sights and smells of soul food. Have you ever experienced the magic of a true soul food meal? It's more than just food. Soul food is a celebration of history, heritage, and love. In my quest to find the best soul food in Florida, I embarked on a delicious adventure. From the Panhandle's hidden gems to the bustling eateries of South Florida, I was on a mission. Come along as we uncover the most flavorful soul food Florida has to offer. Soul food isn't just about the food itself, it's about the stories woven into every bite. It's a testament to the resilience and creativity of African Americans. Florida, with its rich cultural tapestry, boasts a vibrant soul food scene. My journey took me to family-run restaurants. I explored legendary neighborhood spots. Every place had a story to tell. I couldn't wait to taste the traditions that made each place special. Get ready to dive into Florida's soul food soul. Soul food's roots run deep. They go back to the days of slavery. African Americans created culinary masterpieces with limited ingredients. They transformed simple ingredients into dishes bursting with flavor.
Over time, soul food evolved, new ingredients were introduced, cooking techniques were passed down through generations. Each region of the United States developed its unique take on these soulful dishes. It's a testament to the power of resourcefulness. It's a celebration of culinary ingenuity.
In the heart of Miami, I discovered a hidden gem. Luella's Kitchen transported me back in time with its cozy atmosphere and mouth-watering aromas. Their fried chicken was legendary. Each bite was crispy, juicy, and seasoned to perfection.
Up north in Tallahassee, Big Mama's Kitchen stole my heart. They are known for their smothered pork chops and creamy mac and cheese. Each dish was a testament to the love and care poured into every recipe.
Down in Tampa, Soul Food Express lived up to its name. Their flavorful oxtails and candied yams were the epitome of soul food comfort.
Finding these soul food havens wasn't always easy. Word of mouth and online reviews became my trusted guides. Often I found myself waiting in long lines. The anticipation only made the experience sweeter.
Some places had limited menus. They focused on perfecting a few signature dishes, but the limited selection never disappointed. The dedication to quality over quantity was evident in every mouthful. It was clear that good things come to those who wait.
After countless plates of fried chicken, collard greens, and sweet potato pie, I had to choose my top picks. Luella's Kitchen in Miami earned the top spot for its authentic flavors and warm hospitality. Big Mama's Kitchen in Tallahassee came in a close second. Their generous portions and home-style cooking left me feeling happy and full. And let's not forget Soul Food Express in Tampa, where the oxtails and candied yams were worth every minute of the wait.
My soul food journey through Florida was more than just a culinary adventure. It was a journey into the heart of a community. Soul food is a reminder of the power of food. It brings people together. It preserves traditions. It tells stories.
Every bite is a celebration of African American heritage. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving cultural traditions. Soul food is a reminder that the most delicious food comes from the heart. Now it's your turn. Explore the world of soul food in Florida. Seek out those hidden gems. Don't be afraid to ask locals for their recommendations. Order a plate of fried chicken or savor the slow-cooked goodness of collard greens. Share your favorite dishes with friends and family. Spread the love of soul food. Who knows? You might even discover a hidden talent for whipping up some soul food magic in your own kitchen. Happy eating!